Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to guide you through the process to listen to your own other phone call recording. So if you're looking for how to do so, you can basically follow up these steps. So we can directly do that by accessing the call recording to our phone's built-in recording application or a third-party application and share it to a cloud service. So you can find the recording on the phone where it was originally saved. So for that, you can open up the phone application and tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can look out for the three dot in the top right corner and tap on it. After that, go ahead and access your settings and tap on it. Once you access your device's settings, what you need to do is basically scroll and find the option for record calls. So find the option for record calls and tap on it. And once you tap on record calls, you can look out for the storage location or directly tap on this option called recorded calls. And when you tap on that, here it will be finding the call recording of your device. So now all you gotta do is basically hold the call recording, and if you want to share it, you can look out for the share option in the bottom of your screen. And once you tap on it, you can share it to any of the messaging application or anywhere, and that is it. And that's it. This is how you basically look out for your call recording of your own phone in your device. You can just go over and share it, and on your second phone, you can play the recording from the application itself wherever you shared it. And that is it. By default, the call recordings are often stored locally on your device. You can select your location where you want to store it, open up your phone app for that, and go to the three dot and tap on it, and go ahead and tap on settings. And from there, you can look out for record calls and tap on it, and go ahead and look out for your storage location, and then just go over and change it if you prefer, and that's it. So therefore, everybody, if you want to listen to your own full call recording, this is the method you can follow up. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.